Hi everyone, I'm back with another diary episode. I'm so happy you're here with me. Today, I want to tell you about my weekend. Specifically, I want to share what I did last weekend morning. It was a really calm and happy time for me. I hope you enjoy hearing about it. Last Saturday, I woke up later than usual. It was about 9 o'clock. The sun was already shining. I stretched my arms high above my head and sat on my bed for a moment. I just enjoyed the quiet morning. Then I got up and walked to my window. I opened it wide and felt the cool, fresh breeze on my face. It felt so good to breathe in the morning air. After a few minutes, I walked to the kitchen to make a drink. I made myself a warm cup of tea. I love starting my day with tea. I drank it slowly while I stood by the kitchen window, just looking outside at the trees and the blue sky. It was very peaceful. After that, I prepared a simple breakfast for myself. I toasted 2 slices of bread until they were golden brown. I also fried an egg, sunny side up, just the way I like it. When I finished eating my delicious breakfast, I cleaned everything up. I washed my plate and the cup in the sink. Then I wiped the table so it was nice and clean. After the kitchen was tidy, I went to the bathroom. I took a warm shower and wore my most comfortable clothes, a soft t-shirt and some cozy pants. Later in the morning, I decided to organize my study desk. It was a little messy from the week. I arranged my books neatly on the shelf. I looked through my papers and threw away the old ones I didn't need anymore. I set my new notebook neatly in the center of the desk. It looked so much better after cleaning, and I felt ready for the new week. After all that tidying, I went to the living room to relax. I put on some soft, relaxing music. While I listened, I sat down with my diary. I wrote a short plan for the rest of my weekend. It helped me feel organized and calm. That was my peaceful weekend morning. It was simple, but it made me feel very happy and rested. Thank you so much for watching and listening to my story. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for the next episode. I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye.